Pluto, once known as the ninth planet of our solar system, may seem like a distant and stealthy wanderer, quiet and easily overlooked in the grand scale of the cosmos. However, this icy world, now classified as a dwarf planet, is once again making headlines. According to statements from renowned astrophysicists like Michio Kaku and Neil deGrasse Tyson, Pluto could be on a troubling course, one that might bring it dangerously close to Neptune. But how could such a scenario unfold? And what cosmic consequences could arise from such a gravitational dance? Join us on Waves Discovery as we dive deep into this fascinating and complex topic, exploring the celestial mechanics behind Pluto's erratic journey and the hypothetical outcome of a Pluto-Neptune encounter. Pluto's journey through space is anything but ordinary. Since its discovery in 1930, this icy body has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. While reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, Pluto has never ceased to be a subject of intrigue. One reason is its peculiar and highly elliptical orbit. Unlike the near-circular paths of the major planets, Pluto's orbit is stretched into an oval, with an inclination of about 17 degrees relative to the flat plane of our solar system, known as the ecliptic. This tilt makes Pluto's orbit look almost disorganized compared to the other planets, adding layers of complexity and unpredictability. In fact, for about 20 years of each 248-year orbit, Pluto actually travels closer to the Sun than Neptune. Naturally, this raises an important question: why haven't these two cosmic travelers collided? The answer lies in the elegant dynamics of celestial mechanics. Soon after Pluto's discovery, astronomers noticed something unusual. Despite their orbits intersecting, Pluto and Neptune never actually come close enough to crash into each other. This stability is thanks to a phenomenon known as orbital resonance. Specifically, Pluto and Neptune are locked in a 3-to-2 resonance, meaning that for every 3 orbits Neptune completes around the Sun, Pluto completes exactly 2. This resonance creates a natural safeguard, ensuring that Pluto is always positioned far from Neptune whenever their orbits cross paths. More precisely, the gravitational interaction keeps Pluto at least 90 degrees ahead or behind Neptune in its orbit, a phenomenon known as non-concurrent libration. It's a fascinating example of how gravitational forces can coordinate to maintain cosmic order. Adding to this protective mechanism is Pluto's orbital precession, a slow vertical movement within its orbit. This precession often places Pluto far above or below Neptune's orbital plane, when the two paths intersect, further reducing any risk of collision. Another intricate factor at play is something called VZK wobbling, named after the researchers Voigt, Zeldik, and Kai. This term refers to the subtle gravitational interplay between Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun, which gently tugs on Pluto and influences its path, helping to maintain a long-term balance despite the seemingly chaotic movements. Still, even with these stabilizing forces, Pluto's orbit is not entirely predictable. Numerical simulations conducted in the 1980s revealed a surprising truth: Pluto's orbit is chaotic over very long timescales. Even the tiniest deviation in its position or velocity can lead to vastly different trajectories over the course of millions of years. Yet, paradoxically, the orbit still manages to remain stable within that chaos, a phenomenon known as dynamic stability in a chaotic system. Major planetary bodies such as Jupiter and Saturn also play vital roles in this stability. Their immense gravitational forces help to further regulate Pluto's path, ensuring that it remains in its orbital lane. Without these influences, our solar system might be a much more tumultuous place. Planets and dwarf planets alike could wander into unpredictable paths, colliding or being ejected into deep space. Understanding the motion of Pluto is more than a scientific curiosity, it provides a window into the very nature of our cosmic environment. While theories suggesting a potential future collision between Pluto and Neptune are mostly speculative, they do prompt an important conversation about orbital dynamics and the fragile balance that governs our solar system. By studying Pluto's strange and captivating orbit, scientists not only unravel the mysteries of this distant dwarf planet but also enhance our understanding of how celestial bodies behave under the influence of gravity. These insights can inform our understanding of other systems beyond our own, where planets, stars, and perhaps even life might be dancing to similar gravitational tunes. Ultimately, Pluto's orbit is a testament to the unpredictable yet profoundly ordered nature of the universe. It reminds us that while space may appear wild and uncontrollable, it often follows patterns, subtle rhythms that scientists are only just beginning to understand. The key takeaway is this: the cosmos is not just a random swirl of chaos, but a symphony of gravitational harmony, waiting to be explored.